Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to show you some happy mail that I got and I picked up today. I am so excited. So let's go ahead and open this thing up together. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm getting choked up already. It reads, "This book was meant for you to have and enjoy. You are the captain of the ship. May this book, Siren's Atlas, take you to all the wonderful waters of our crocheting world. Enjoy, my friend, from Juan the Yarn Addict." Oh, I'm excited! Yes, I finally got it. Siren's Atlas. This is amazing. This is all about me in a nutshell. If y'all didn't see Juan present this book and talk about it, y'all need to check it out. I'll go ahead and link that one in the description box down below. Most of you already have him, but if you don't, I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. This is the back. And it reads, "Siren's Atlas is your guide to crocheting an ocean of granny squares, inspired by the colors of the high seas. Each of the 64 patterns is a fun new take on the traditional granny square, named after a ocean, sea, or body of water around the world. Perfect for the intermediate to expert crocheter looking for a challenge and to improve their crochet skills and knowledge." And this is just amazing. And I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. And I love traveling. Little fun facts about me. This is by Shelly Husband. Oh. And I love the soft front and back of the book. Oh, I am really going to enjoy working up these squares. Different parts of the ocean, different places I've been, bodies of water that I've been through. This is amazing. I am truly loving it and enjoying it. And I thank Shelly for creating this book and for Juan for sending me this. I'll show y'all. Look. Very, very beautiful. Charts are used in ocean navigation, and I like the fact that this book shows charts in crochet. And I am going to show you a couple of places in which I've been. I have traveled through the Aegean Sea. It's located between the mainlands of Greece and Turkey. Now, these symbols that you see represented here, starting with the left, is latitude, which is the symbol for phi. It's the Greek F. And on the right is longitude, and that is lambda, which is the Greek L. We call them lat and longs. These lat and longs will give us a specific location on where we are in these bodies of water. This is a map. You will see the Aegean Sea, and you'll see Greece on the left and Turkey on the right. In the upper left-hand corner of the map, you will see the Adriatic Sea, and I will be discussing that shortly. Whenever the ship departed, I was part of the navigation team, so I am able to read charts and navigate the ship through waters. Just sharing one of my many jobs during my time in service. This is the Adriatic Sea, the northernmost arm of the Mediterranean Sea. As you can see, there is the lat and long for this particular location and body of water. So what we're planning on doing is we're planning on making this sometime, this particular blanket, sometime this summer or later on this year, whenever Juan is up to it. If you want to join in, let me know down in the comments. I'm sure Juan will be putting out more information in the future, but you all know that we have pumped the brakes on doing a lot of different things, and we are supporting Bag O' Day Crochet. Bag O' Day Crochet. If you don't know her, go ahead, subscribe, turn the bell on so you won't miss a notification. If you already know her and subscribe and put that notification to all, go ahead and share it with your friends and family so we can get her to that million real soon and real quick. But thank you all for tuning in. Thank you so much for the message, Juan. Yes, captain of the yarn ship. I'm just happy to add this book on the yarn ship and to my collection of books because I have many of them, and I am going to cherish this. This means a lot to me, and it warms my heart. So thank you, Juan the Yarn Addict. I'll go ahead and put his link in the description box down below as well. Tell a friend. You guys have a wonderful day, and remember to live each day as if it were your last.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please click that thumbs up. Like the video. And if you haven't already, push the button that says subscribe to all of Joe's channel, the Crochet Sailor channel. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to the channel.